As you can see, I'm blunting the Stanley blade. Now this is a Humax remote control for a personal video recorder, PVR. It's one of the new Humax boxes. It's only about a year or so old. However, this button here has now seemed to be pushed in all the time. So when you press it, but it doesn't come out, it then activates the command again and causes more problems. So what I'm going to do is take it apart and see if we can resolve the problem. Now what you've got to do first is to remove the batteries. Check to see if there's any screws holding the back on. So I can't see anything that's will help me taking it apart. Right, there you go. Part off. Let's see, it's now been held on by the back. Let's see if we can undo that as well. So I can put that to one side. Now this part here, it was that part there. This part here is causing a problem. I'll turn it over and there it is there. So take it all out. Now it might be that this just needs a good clean. If you've got some dirt around here, around where the buttons go, that could be causing a problem. So the best thing here is for me to put this into warm soapy water and hopefully be able to resolve this particular problem. Clean that as well. So while it's been taken apart, I might as well clean all the connect. Put some on there. Part. And that's it. Battery connections go through correctly. They go through there. We're in the right place. Now, next thing to do will be to fit the buttons. Make sure you get it around the right way. Can't really knot. Make sure that it's all in, sitting in correctly, and then carefully put it on top. It down. Nice crunching sound. All right, and that button now looks much better than it was before. Now if you look carefully, I've made a mistake on the button. The green one isn't in correctly, so obviously I've got to do that again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.